Your Millermatic 211 Pro and Multimatic 215 Pro are enabled with a USB port to allow upgraded software to be downloaded. When upgrades are available, insert an empty USB drive into your computer and download the upgrade file onto your USB from MillerWelds.com. Plug USB into the machine. Select the menu and click the fourth soft key on the user interface, Software Versions. Once the USB is detected by the machine, select the Upgrade button and wait for your machine to finish upgrading. After updating your Millermatic 211 Pro or Multimatic 215 Pro, Pulsed MIG will now be a setting in Process Settings.
Warning: read and follow all labels and your owner's manuals.
Pulsed MIG is a modified spray transfer process that produces less heat input, resulting in less spatter, warping, and distortion. Key adjustments in Pulse MIG are arc length and wire feed speed. Arc length will control the physical distance from the end of the wire to the workpiece. Arc length should be increased if there's too much spatter or shorting occurring. Arc length should be decreased if the wire is melting too close to the contact tip or if the puddle feels too watery. Wire speed operates the same way as in the MIG welding process. Increasing your wire feed speed will give you more penetration, while decreasing your wire feed speed will decrease your penetration. For pulsed TIG on the Multimatic 215 Pro, in the TIG process, a soft key will be present to enable the pulsar setting. Lower frequency settings can be used to help time filler metal addition when learning to TIG weld, while higher frequency settings can be used to help focus the arc while welding. Here are the recommended gas mixtures for material type for pulse. BeadVision is a feature that provides graphic feedback as parameters are adjusted. Users will be able to see how their setting changes affect penetration and bead profile. Program mode enables the user to save 3 of the most used settings. To save a program, enter Manual mode and click the fourth soft key, which says Programs. Once you click Programs, the saved setting screen will appear. To save a new setting, hold the soft key for 3 seconds and it will become a soft key selection. When needing to recall a setting, click Program's soft key and select the soft key of the desired saved setting. In addition to menu settings, the new update unlocks silicon bronze as an auto set and manual mode process. Silicon bronze is commonly used in automotive, marine, and various ornamental applications running on 100% argon gas. Remember to check back for updates on MillerWelds.com or register your machine to be notified when new updates are available. Thanks for purchasing the machines that grow with you.